everybody. Once again, I'm saying hello. Reaching out because so much information has been related to me about the amount of support, the multitude of people that are going to be showing up on the 18th of August, and I just want to encourage everybody that although the courtroom is relatively small and they only let a certain amount of people in, don't be discouraged not showing up because we still want everybody to be there for the celebration. We still want everybody to maintain their energy, maintain the momentum, and we feel that there's going to be numerous ways on how to receive the victorious decision. Yes, basically a lot of people that have been going to court early, they first come, first serve, they get their seats in the courtroom and everything. And I really thank everybody that had showed up on the 21st that weren't able to get inside. But from my understanding, from what everybody told me, those that were waiting outside were praying for me, supporting me, and really just showing how much they were there for me. And I think that on the 18th we can still do the same thing, but most importantly, just really communicating with each other in reference to receiving the decision. So don't be discouraged on the size of the courtroom, because keep in mind that the goal here is how all of you have been waiting for this moment, just like I have been waiting for this moment. And I know there's a lot of people that want to celebrate this victorious moment, this victory of mine when I walk out the courtroom. But I just want to emphasize again and reiterate that those that are waiting outside and that cannot get in, don't leave. Don't walk away. You waited all this time for me to walk out the courtroom. You waited all this time for this day, just like I've waited. So let's share this victory together in unison. Let's share this victory as one victorious team, one victorious group of people. There's a lot of ways on how to communicate this victory, whether from the inside and from the outside. And if there's anybody that's on the inside that can only stay for a few moments, that might not be able to stay there the whole entire time, make sure that you communicate with someone or find someone that maybe you can exchange your seats when that person walks out, the other person can walk in. My understanding from my attorneys, the decision that will be rendered on that day will probably take no more than a half an hour to an hour. More so, I think it's going to be less than an hour. So it shouldn't be that long like other court sessions that we have been to. But if you plan to show up, whether you're inside or outside, let's be there together. Let's not be discouraged because you didn't make it inside the courtroom. That's what I want to let you know. The other thing that I want to let you know is that because I have two decisions that the judge has an option to give me, right? Whether by exonerating me or overturning my conviction, I'm hearing literal, bits and pieces from my attorneys, which I still got to get full clarification. I don't know what the exact procedures. The only procedure that I do know for a fact is that if the judge exonerates me that day, I walk out of that courtroom. No ifs, no buts, no say-sos, no delays. On the overturning of the conviction, I think that I might just have to wait an hour or so and back at the bullpens of the courtroom, but eventually I will walk out that courtroom. So I truly believe in my heart, I can't see it no other way that it's not going to be a victorious moment. Whether you believe in God or not the way that I do, one thing that I want everybody to know is this, that I think I've said it plenty of times before, that, God has not brought me this far to drop me now, He's opened up all these doors for me, If he didn't want to open up these doors, he would have never made it happen. So I see the victory coming. I see myself walking out that courtroom, and I want you guys to understand how confident I feel about this. So if I have this confidence, just have the confidence as well of waiting for me so we can all share this glory and this bliss together. Okay? So I'm sure there's going to be plenty of details that you probably find on the fan page of how this situation is going to go about, that you guys can communicate with each other. Okay? And one other thing is that in these special causes of what we're fighting for, you know, how we support this, don't forget to continue to support everything that everybody's been working so hard on my behalf on my fan page. So many things that is being mentioned there, so many things that we're still trying to accomplish, that we're still trying to do, that is not easy. So please spread the word. Please continue to communicate with as many people as possible to go on that fan page of mine and look into these details of how much we still need to continue to raise the awareness, to raise this amount of individuals of liking the page and supporting every single avenue and aspect of my cause so we can continue to fight other causes as well. So don't forget about that. That's very, very important. You know, because even after I come out, right, although this is the biggest hurdle of my life that we're going to finally end and we're going to put behind me, you know, there's another hurdle that I'm going to start in my life. And I think for me, I look forward to that. But still, I need your support with that. I'm still going to look for your support. So whatever you can continue to do for me, I am grateful. I truly appreciate it. And, you know, just don't forget. Look into the page. You'll find all the information that you need in relation to what I'm talking about, okay? So, once again, I look forward to seeing you guys there. Let's be proud. Let's go with the army that we have built this far, and let's celebrate our victory together. Love you guys. God bless you. Take care, and I'll see you on the 18th.